Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing how to become a successful Sigma male. A Sigma male is someone who values independence, self-reliance, and non-conformity. They have a unique blend of confidence, intelligence, and adaptability that sets them apart from others. Here are some tips on how to become a successful Sigma man. Step 1. Embrace your individuality. One of the key traits of a Sigma male is individuality. Embrace your unique qualities, interests, and values. Don't conform to societal norms or expectations. Be true to yourself, and don't be afraid to stand out. Step 2. Focus on personal growth. Personal growth is essential for success. Set goals, develop new skills, and constantly improve yourself. Invest in yourself through education, travel, and experiences. This will not only enhance your confidence but also make you a more interesting and well-rounded person. Step 3. Develop social skills. While Sigma males value independence, they also understand the importance of building strong relationships. Develop your social skills by being a good listener, showing empathy, and building rapport with others. This will help you navigate social situations and build a strong support network. Step 4. Take calculated risks. Sigma males are known for their risk-taking abilities, but they do so in a calculated and strategic manner. Take calculated risks in your personal and professional life. Assess the potential outcomes and make informed decisions. This will help you make the most of opportunities and achieve success. Step 5. Be confident but humble. Confidence is a trait that is highly valued in a Sigma male. However, it's important to balance confidence with humility. Be confident in your abilities but also acknowledge your weaknesses. This will help you learn from your mistakes and continue to grow. Conclusion. So those are some tips on how to become a successful Sigma man. Embrace your individuality, focus on personal growth, develop social skills, take calculated risks, and balance confidence with humility. Remember that success is not just about wealth or power, it's about living a fulfilling and meaningful life. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates.